Morning, everyone. I'm going to quickly have a look at Bitcoin and what we can expect for Bitcoin. You see that I've got this 72,000 level that would complement the Gartley pattern. So we broke out that trend. Do we come back and form the 222 type of setup? Or what can we expect? I just want to pull up my Bitcoin charts. Where are we at? 99,000. I've already got the supply zones and demand zones nearest to that price in. I use Bitcoin as an indicator as to where the crypto prices can go. The RSI does look like it's losing some momentum, but the MACD histogram that's above the signal, which is a bullish indication in a way. But I'm not seeing any any real purchase interest in Bitcoin. It doesn't look like there's much going on in the world of Bitcoin. Yeah, on the daily, there's also some. It's negative on the daily. Do we come back and fill this fair value gap at 85,000? Does this demand zone hold at 97,000? Do we go back to 91,000? I'm not sure. I'm not getting much new levels from this thing. 99,932 is the lowest zone. Lowest. So we're busy testing that low zone that the bot's pointing out. This isn't really giving me any much more information. Yo, but these levels are changing. We're looking at 183,000 on the 1 hour swing high and 177 on the 4 hour, 200,000 on the 1 week. The demand zone is at 107. Here's another demand zone 9. That's the one I've got in. This could be a pivot point as well. Yeah, that's a pivot point. We're at a pivot point now. We might see a massive spike or a massive decline in the price at this level. Let's make it a nice fat one. Check on the 15 minute. It does look like the MACD wants to lose momentum and the RSI. We might get a rejection on this level. I'd say the next level to look out for 90. Let's see. This is a key level, guys. Very, very important. From here, we can shoot up to 107 or all the way down to 94,917. Let's fix these charts. So it's a little bit easier to read. That's the one at 97 that I've got. There's another one at 98. Let's move this one up. Let's put that one there. You can see how the price reacted there to it as well there. Let's see if I can see any patterns. Hmm. Oh, this one is tricky. This can go anyway. This level where we're at now, this is a very important level. We might get a massive reaction at this level. You can see we're busy testing here. So that would be 99932. That's the lowest zone. And then the pivot is at 99,990. Sorry. I'll have a look at what the price does at those levels today, because that would determine the general trend. Then obviously your resistance would be at 103,950. A break above that would then indicate 108,547, and then I'll draw in more levels as we go along. This is messy. This isn't really showing me much. So that would be that trend. That's that. Edge, shoulder. Oh, it looked like it was going to break out of the shoulder. Edge, shoulder, shoots out of the shoulder. Then does the rejection A, B, C, which is a M. Then we have that over there. Could do that and then come down. Come back into this fair value gap at 85. Or comes here, forms a W, and then comes to this area over there. Yeah, important level this. Might see a reaction in price here. Is that forming a new head and shoulder? That way. Shoulder, shoulder, and then come into this triangle. So that would be your A, B, C, D, E. Out. Come back down here. Lower low. There's no lower low there. Come back down to there. Wait, come back down to there. Start forming that. Go up, come back down, start forming that. To the middle of the fair value gap, just above that. Then make the divergence 1, 2, 3. Then we have that trend down there. Or does it follow this one? there, form the W, start doing that. The MACD does look like it's got some momentum upwards on the 4 hour. Like I said, the 1 hour does look like it wants to cross the RSI, so anything's possible. This, we'll have to see what the price does, yeah. But like I said, daily is looking a little bit negative on the MACD. That's the W forming, then breaks out, comes here, could do that. Or come down and then start making new W's. Yeah, I don't know. What I do know is that this level is very important that I gave you guys. Check what the price does there. Um, if I do a pitch fan, it might make more sense. No, let me go on the hour. I'll have to do a pitch fan with a circle, with a fifth circle for this. Draw there, do a pitch fan that goes up. That would be the middle of the pitch. So that's the highest. Then get that onto the middle of the pitch fan. This is our trend. That's the breakout. Okay, so we rejected the top of that trend. We could even come here to this level, 91,105, into this corner. Come back down here to this channel over here. Down there. W. Continue down. There's a W there. Does it do that? We'll have to see what this price does, yeah, guys. Best of luck to everyone.